Tony says his chili's the best because it's a lot like him. Old. Ricky claims pasta goes in chili. We all knew something was wrong with him. Jess thinks his chili's going to be hot, but he doesn't even know how to turn on the oven. Tom's bringing chili, but we're pretty sure his wife's making it. Austin is making his chili in the microwave because little kids aren't allowed to cook on the stove.
Jeffrey, what are you going to do with your winnings?
If it's enough, I'm going to disappear. But we're having a blowout sale, and it's not caused by chili. I'm in a 2025 Passport 253 RD 2025 blowout sale. We've got this one for $29,995 right now. Not only is it a great place to make chili, but it's a great place to go camping. Check it out with me. As you come in the main entry door right here, you have this huge U-shaped dinette table. You can move it around anywhere you want. So put it in the middle of the room, take it outside, throw it away, whatever you want to do. Right over here next to it, you have theater seating. Pull this down, and there's your cup holders. You can't have too many cup holders. Theater seats are directly across from the TV. And then over to the left of the TV, you have a nice kitchen area, lots of counter space. You could have, 6, 7 pots of chili over here. Mine would be the best, okay? Farmhouse style sink, this really cool faucet. Twist it around any way you want. Spray your friends with it. It's a lot of fun. You have a pass-through bathroom in here. When you get a pass-through bathroom, it gives you a lot more space in the bathroom. So plenty of room to sit on the toilet without having to dunk your feet in the shower. Nice vanity space over here. When you come up into the front room here, queen bed, cabinets on both sides, and even back behind the cabinets, you'll see some shelves for your CPAPs, cell phone charging, whatever you need to do with it. Let's head outside and look at a couple things real quick. So on the Passports, fiberglass exterior with aluminum frame. Looks nice and clean. This one has power tongue jack, power stabilizers. And then look at that big awning right there with the LED light strip. You get huge shade space. So come out and see us this weekend. Have some good chili. Mine's the best. And check out these 2025 units that have to go.